Hi friends, Namaskara. Swagatam, Suswagatam. Kemcho, Majama. Jai Hind. Welcome once again to my YouTube channel, Net Worth Riches. Now this channel is all about increasing your net worth by giving you sustainable ways and methods to make, invest and grow your money and have good decision making skills for sustainable happiness and peace. In my previous videos, I've spoken about hard assets, positive cash flowing assets, high rental yield properties. I even gave you an example in my previous videos in which property you should invest. Now you'll say that why am I not giving you information about soft assets, mutual funds, shares, etc. Well, this is a journey that you and I have embarked on. I will be giving you information about such assets as well. But I first believe that your net worth should have a strong foundation, because a skyscraper without a strong foundation will crumble. The next thing I see, many financial influencers on TV and on YouTube will sell certain courses to you, will go ahead and tell you to buy certain shares, certain cryptos, and then you'll become rich overnight. Well, if it was so easy to become rich, why would they be selling courses to you? They would have been rich themselves. They would have given everything to you for free. Well, remember this mantra which I gave you in my previous video as well. If you get something for free, you are the product. Yes, anything in life that you get for free, you are the product. Now these financial influencers do some very simplistic Excel calculations. If you invest into such shares 15,000-20,000 per month and it compounds at 15% annually, over the next 30 years you'll be a crorepati. Well, it's very easy to do rear view driving. Well, life is always future looking. Now you have to go ahead and look at the future and accordingly invest. Now definitely your money would have increased if you would have invested in certain shares. But what if you had invested into such shares where there was fraud or some mismanagement? There have been big Group A shares that have gone down the drain. Take JP Associates for example, Suzlon Energy, Kingfisher Airlines, Reliance Communication. The list will go on and on. Now what if you had invested into such shares? They don't take that into account. They don't even take into account inflation in land prices. They don't take into account inflation in building materials. They don't take into account rents increase by 5% every year, which means that in approximately 7.5 years your rents will double. They don't take all those simplistic calculations into account. Now we all know what happened during the COVID time, how the societies were differentiating between renters and owners. So with this the middle class has learned that the property is a very essential part of their portfolios. And forget the middle class, see what the rich do. If you want to be rich, you have to see what the rich do. Even the rich, once they have $1 million exit from their shares and their companies, they themselves invest into real estate, because they know that real estate is real wealth. They save on taxes and they increase their net worth as well. Now you say Mukesh Ambani ji, his Antilla house is worth what? You also know that. Now you go to any banks, you tell the banks that I have 20 lakhs. I want to invest in a 1 crore house. They'll definitely give you a loan. But you tell the same, take ICICI Bank or HDFC Bank, you tell them that I have 20 lakhs. I want to purchase 1 crore of your own company shares. They will not lend you the money, because they also realize that real estate is real wealth. Now I'll give you a simplistic calculation. Now let's take, you've done all the check marks that I've given you in my previous videos. Marquee Builder, Myvan Construction, RERA approved. You've done all these calculations and it is a 50 lakh worth property. Now the builder has given you a scheme of 20/80, which means that you have to pay 20% of 50 lakhs right now, and the remaining you have to pay your 80% at the time of possession. So 20% of 50 lakhs is you pay 10 lakhs right now and 40 lakhs on possession. So you've paid 10 lakhs, you've invested into the property, you've done all the checklists that I've told you, and now there's uncertainty, and as the construction progresses, the value of the house also increases, but you've only invested 10 lakhs. So now in 4 years, once the property is ready, the property has appreciated to 70 lakhs. Okay, so from 50 lakhs, the property has become 70 lakhs. But how much have you invested? You've invested only 10 lakhs. So that 10 lakhs has now given you a profit of 20 lakhs, which works up to 20% return. And now that the property is ready, you have to pay the remaining 40 lakhs which was left to pay. You pay that 40 lakhs, but then the rental yield starts kicking in. Now for that property, you're getting a 25,000 rent, which works up to a 5% rental yield. So you see how this goes ahead and helps increasing your net worth. You've not only got property appreciation, but you've got a rental yield as well. Now that rents will also double in approximately 7 to 8 years. So that 5% will become 10%. Then in another 8 years, that will become 20%. So you will be getting a 20% rental yield in the next 20 years. So to increase your net worth, you have to do such futuristic calculations and be realistic at the same time. So are such properties available? Definitely such properties are available. I've given you an example in my previous videos. If you want more such properties, please get in touch with me on my below mentioned number. I will definitely advise my subscribers about such properties. So if you liked this video and you can relate to what I am saying, kindly smash the like button below. This will motivate me to bring you more such content, how you can make, invest and grow your money, because I feel that everything that we've been taught about money is wrong. So on a lighter note, let's end it. भाई लोग कृपया करके लाइक करो, सब्सक्राइब करो, अपने दोस्तों, भाव भगिनी को सबको बताओ प्लीज़. थैंक्स अ लॉट. हैव अ गुड डे.